A switch at the top of the Ukrainian Defence Ministry had been on the cards for months. Oleksiy Reznikov was popular with Western allies, but at home his ministry was beset with allegations of corruption, overpriced food supplies for the army and rumours of people buying their way out of military service.
I believe this is a fair decision. There have been many reports and criticisms in the media about the work of this ministry.
If something goes wrong, you have to fix and rebuild and change quickly.
The new minister is Rustam Umarov, a Crimean Tatar whose forefathers were exiled from Crimea by Joseph Stalin's Soviet Union. Russian drones hit Ukrainian ports on the Danube again. Kyiv said Romanian territory was hit, but the Romanians denied it.
Of course, there is a risk of accident or incidents, but for the time being, it was not the case.
Bucharest may have reasons not to want an escalation. Kyiv doesn't seem to share them.
We have photographic evidence, and we are ready to share it. The Romanian authorities will make final conclusions, and they will also have to say what they are going to do about it. On the battlefield, Ukraine claims more progress on the southern front, in Zaporizhia. Western intelligence sources confirmed breaches in Russia's defensive lines, but there seems little prospect so far of a major retreat. Simon McGregor-Wood, TRT World.